Hello guys, I'm Meet Patel and welcome to Coding with Meet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Visual Studio 2019 in your Windows computer. So, first open your favorite browser and in the search bar type Visual Studio 2019 and press enter. Now go to the first link that says download Visual Studio 2019 for Windows and Mac. Or I'll provide this link in the description which will redirect you to this page. Now we will download the community edition which is free to use, so click on the free download button. The setup application will be downloaded in few seconds. It is not mandatory to fill and submit this form. So once it is downloaded, go to the download folder and double click on the setup application. It will set up few things for the configuration of the installation. So click on the continue button. Now it will download the installer of Visual Studio 2019. And after the installer is successfully downloaded, it will be installed automatically. After the installer is successfully installed, you will land here. Here you can see multiple tools for developing various kinds of things like web application, mobile application, game development, cloud-based application, etc. As of now, our main motto is developing ASP.NET and ASP.NET Core web application. We will click on the checkbox of ASP.NET and web development. The 9.2 GB is the disk space it will acquire after installing. So click on the install button. Now the downloading and installing of Visual Studio 2019 is finally started, and as we have checked on the box for start after installation, it will launch the Visual Studio 2019 after it is installed. It can take a while depending upon your speed of internet and your system. I'm fast forwarding the video until it is downloaded and installed. As you can see, the process is successfully completed and Visual Studio 2019 has launched. Now it is asking me to sign in to my Microsoft account, but it is also not mandatory, so I am clicking on not now, maybe later. From here, you can select the default settings and the theme that you like. As I like the dark theme, I am selecting dark and click on Start Visual Studio. It is preparing Visual Studio 2019 for the first use, so it will take few seconds. Congratulations, the Visual Studio 2019 has been successfully installed. So if you want to create your first ASP.NET web application project, then the link is in the description. And also there are few more videos on Visual Studio 2019 and Microsoft SQL Server which might help you, so don't forget to watch them. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more videos.